Hey, howdy, and hello, folks. Whoops, dropped my pencil. I missed my pencil and hat and glasses. But, anyways, it's afternoon, and as I'm uploading these videos that I did this morning on everything, site-wide and personal sales, personal life, I watch, and my shipping needs shortened. The shipping methods are easy. UPS, USPS, FedEx. I can ship worldwide, and I do quite often, and I love it. No charge extra for the time or the so-called inconvenience, because really, it doesn't take any extra time. It's crazy. They just don't want to. Anyways, um, we're in a major trucking hub, and I could ship a B-52 bomber if I wanted to. I never will, likely. When you buy, I give you every possible route, every possible shipper, and every possible method. It's up to you to decide, do you want to pay this much for this shipper on these items? Do you want to pay less? Now, what I can and will do, and have done a lot, in fact, not as much as saving my clients and buyers, not as much as the shipping packing method I use, but I still have saved some good people, whether I knew them or not, some decent money, because if they choose to ship an item and their choice is, it's adequate, it'll work, but there's a cheaper route that is a great shipper for those items. Now, if before you click that pay button, you check mark that, will you allow me to act as the shipping representative for you on only who and the amount, and I will never go up unless I am forced to. If you choose the wrong lower cost shipper, it's going to cost you more, because I can't pay for your shipping. I just can't. I'm not rich. But if you check that, or in the little notes area below, you will find a way to say, look, hey, if you find a cheaper shipper of the USPS, UPS, FedEx that you offer, because there are a lot to go through, and y'all ain't got the time. I do. So I gladly do this. But if you do that, and you find a quality shipper, now I can't guarantee once it's out of my hands, but I know my shippers and the products they are good at, and their costs. If you find one lower, it's okay. So I'll buy it, I'll ship it, and the second I buy it, as soon as possible, you have the tracking. If the system doesn't give it to you, I will, automatically, unless I have to run out that door, which seldom happens. I will quickly refund you the difference in PayPal or Google Pay. Google Pay is best because there's no fees for any of us. So I will do that without question, without regards to thank you or not. And I will tell you, look, I found shipping for you for $5, $10, $50 less. I've done that. And do you know how proud that makes me to offer that? where other sellers won't. Or they say they will, they don't. Now, if it gets silly, like you only save $1, well, yeah, I do send back $1, but I won't send back 50 cents or something like that. Especially if it has to be through PayPal, because I'm not paying the return fee. And I'm not doing a refund for 25, 50, 30 cents. Folks, this is shorter by a good amount. That basically is my shipping demands on me and what I can offer to you. So, anyways, peace out. And blessings.